Are you looking for the perfect place to raise a family while also giving your kids the educational edge that they deserve? Well, stick around today because we have a treat to show you with our brand new listing that offers you just that in the great town of West Boca. Further, we are located across the street from where us West Boca natives know all too well because we have spent countless hours hanging out and eating here. We're talking about Shadowwood and Mission Bay. However, there's a new guy in town that's super sexy that everyone flocks to in West Boca now, Uptown Boca. Uptown Boca has it all. This brand new plaza features fast casual and sit-down restaurants for every palate. Here you're gonna be spoiled with options from Lazy Dog, Naked Taco, Chick-Fil-A, Sloan's Ice Cream, All of You, Lynora's, Bolay, Just Salad, Zen Sushi, and a bunch more.
And right across the street from all those great food options is this hidden gem. The layout of this home was thoughtfully designed and maximizes every square foot. This is the first floor where you can live in, play in, and host with maximum space to entertain. This kitchen features neutral tones, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and one of my favorites, a large pass-through window that feeds into the dining and living room. Another highlight is this half bathroom downstairs, perfect for when your guests are over. Upstairs is perfectly suited for growing families, featuring a large primary bedroom with his and her closets, 2 spacious additional bedrooms, and a bonus room that can be used as an office, nursery, or 4th bedroom.
In addition to all of that awesomeness, this house also features a garage, a covered patio, a backyard, and plantation shutters. So if you want to see it, make sure you reach out right away while you still have the chance to do so. By the way, if you want to see more videos like this, please tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.